Yes, children. So finally, we understood that, what is the main reason that the Nawabs lost this Battle of Plassey. Okay, because, the Robert Clive had secured the support from the Mir Jafar, is one of the commander of Sirajuddaulah. Okay, so finally, he never fought the war or the battle. So that is one of the main reason. Okay. Yes. And then next we can see that, see, the Battle of Plassey became famous because it was the first major victory the company won in India. So as I told you people in the beginning only, why Battle of Plassey became very famous? Because this is the first famous battle. It has been the first victory, the major victory for the East India Company. Okay, so that is the reason it became very famous. Yes, children, let's see. So, after the defeat at Plassey, Sirajuddaulah was assassinated and Mir Jafar made the Nawab. So finally, the Sirajuddaulah lost the Battle of Plassey. So finally what happens? Of course, he has been removed from his position, from the position of Nawab, and the commander, that is Mir Jafar, became the Nawab. Who made this? The British people. See, the British came with the name of trade, but they are playing in a political, the affairs of our country. Okay, so finally they made Mir Jafar as the Nawab. But later, see, the company was still unwilling to take over the responsibility of administration. Its prime objective was the expansion of trade. So as we seen in the beginning only, what was the main objective of this British East India Company, children? To expand its trade. Yes or no? So that is the main reason they were not interested in the administration. Okay, they were not ready to take the part in the administration. They were not able to take the responsibility of administration. Their main objective is just to make or expand its trade. So that is the reason the British company itself can rule the Bengal, but they made Mir Jafar as a Nawab because their main idea was just to expand the trade, not about the administration. Okay, yes. If this could be done without conquest, through the help of the local ruler who were willing to grant privileges, then territories need not be taken over directly. So what they are telling, if this could have been done without the conquest, without any the conquest, through the help of the local readers, they were expecting only the privileges to do the trade. Okay, that is the tax-free trade or the duty-free trade. That is what they were expecting. So if any restrictions was not there for them, finally this would have not happened. The battle would have not happened. See, then territories need not be taken over directly. So the British would have not taken the territories. Okay. Yes. Soon the company discovered that this was rather difficult, for even the puppet Nawabs were not always as helpful as the company wanted them to be. So as we seen that, what was the main idea of this British people? To expand its trade. They were expecting the puppet rulers. That means that whatever the company was asking them to do, they have to just do the favor to the company. That kind of Nawabs were only they were expecting. But even this Nawabs, the puppet Nawabs, were not helpful. Always what they were expect, the company wanted them to do, the puppet Nawabs were not ready to do that. So that is the reason even the company started to feel difficulty in that. Okay, because this British company, the East India Company, were expecting the more and more privileges and the concessions for the trade and the duties. But even this puppet Nawab, that is, who was the puppet Nawab? Yes, that is Mir Jafar, was also not helpful as the company were expecting. Okay, see here. After all, they had to maintain a basic appearance of dignity and sovereignty if they wanted respect from their subjects. So that is the reason what happened. Of course, this, the people, they have to maintain some basic appearance of dignity and the sovereignty if they wanted the respect from their subjects. So they have to maintain. Of course, there is no other choice for them. Okay, then see. So finally, we came to know that even the puppet rulers were not helpful to the company how they were expecting, because they were expecting more privileges in the trade and the concessions in the trade. When this is a situation, what could the company do? Do you think the company will be quiet? No way. So what company will do? See here. When Mir Jafar protested, the company, deposed him and installed Mir Qasim in his place. So finally, as we seen, the Mir Jafar was also not helpful to the company. So that is the reason what happened. The company deposed him and installed Mir Qasim in his place. So finally, Mir Jafar also been removed from his position as a Nawab, and the new Nawab, that is Mir Qasim, has been replaced. Okay, so guys, you people understood, right, how the British people are playing with our the system, the political system in India, because earlier we were following the monopoly. Yes or no? The kings and the queens were ruling the country. So that time, what the British people did? So finally, they started to play with the political activities just for their provisions or for their benefits. Okay, just to expand their trade. Okay, so finally we saw that Sirajuddaulah has been defeated in the Battle of Plassey. Finally, Mir Jafar came to the position, and Mir Jafar was not that much helpful to the British, the company. So finally, the Mir Qasim has become this is deposed, means the removed him and installed Mir Qasim in his place. Okay. When Mir Qasim complained, he in turn was defeated in a battle fought at Buxar. So finally, after the Battle of Plassey, they had even the battle Buxar, driven out the Bengal, and the Mir Jafar was reinstalled. See how they are playing, the British people. First, they removed the Sirajuddaulah, they made Mir Jafar, and when Mir Jafar protested against the British people, again they have been installed him as a the Mir Qasim as a Nawab, and later the Mir Qasim fought the battle, are defeated in a battle fought at Buxar. So finally, what happened? Finally, they removed even Mir Qasim and reinstalled the Mir Jafar. See children, how they are playing with the Indian political system at that time. Okay, see. The Nawab had to pay 5 lakh every month, but the company wanted more money to finance its wars and meet the demands of trade and its other expenses. So just see the situation. Britishers were paying the tax to the government, that is the Nawabs. But now the situation has been changed. The Nawabs has to pay the revenue or the tax to the company. See the situation. See the main, this is why they are telling from trade to territory. They came with the name of trade, and finally they started to rule the country. Okay, hope you guys understood, right? So finally, the Nawab had to pay 5 lakh every month, the revenue, to the company to meet its demands of trades and other expenses and even the wars. Okay, hope you guys understood, right? See children, It wanted more territories and more revenue. So once they have seen the taste of that, so that is the reason this, the East India Company was expecting more and more territories and more revenues. See, by the time Mir Jafar died in the year of 1765, the mood of the company had changed. So finally they were expecting the puppet rulers. But later, after the Mir Jafar died, their mood has been changed. Their idea has been changed. See, having failed to work with puppet Nawabs, Clive declared, "We must indeed become Nawabs ourselves." So instead of having a puppet rulers, why can't we can become the Nawabs? Okay. So finally you people understood, right, how trade has become the territories, from trade to territory. So finally they were expecting our rulers to play like a puppet, like a toy. Later the Robert Clive has declared, "We must indeed become Nawabs ourselves." So we ourselves has to become the Nawabs. Okay. See. Finally, in 1765, the Mughal emperor appointed the company as a Diwan of the provinces of Bengal. So finally, the company has become the Diwan, that is the ruler. So finally, the maximum power has been given to the British company. Okay. So finally, the Mughal emperor appointed the company as the Diwan of the provinces. For that, the Bengal provinces, company has become the Diwan. See, the Diwani allowed the company to use the vast revenue resources of Bengal. So finally what happened for this? So finally the Diwani, that means they will be having the maximum power of that area. So finally they started to use the maximum, the revenue resources of Bengal. So whatever the revenue they were getting in the Bengal started to used by this company. Okay. So hope you people understood, right? See, this solved a major problem that the company had earlier faced. From the early 18th century, its trade with India had expanded. So finally you people understood, right? So whatever the problem it had earlier, because it has to pay taxes, it had some, the barriers. But now no restriction, no barrier, that the company itself became the Diwani. So finally whatever the problem they had, it has been removed. It started to expand its trade with India. Okay. See, but it had to buy most of the goods in India with the gold and silver imported from Britain, because they didn't have much revenue. So that's the reason they were importing the gold and silver from the Britain, and they were purchasing the goods in India. But later, this was because at this time Britain had no goods to sell in India. So Britain didn't have any other goods. So that's the reason they were importing gold and silver, and they were purchasing the goods in India. The outflow of gold from Britain slowed after the Battle of Plassey and entirely stopped after the assumption of Diwani. Okay, so earlier it has been stopped because after the Battle of Plassey and the becoming the Diwan, they started to use the entire revenue of the Bengal. So finally they started to purchase the goods or they meet their expenses with the Indian revenues. So finally you people understood, right? So they started to purchase whatever the goods and other things with the Indian revenues. See, these revenues could use to purchase cotton, silk and other maintenance of the company. Okay, hope you guys understood, right, about the Battle of Plassey. So you have to write about these questions, children. Okay, go through these questions and make make a note. Okay, so hope you people understood, right, how trade led to territory, and you have understood about the Battle of Plassey. Okay, if any doubts, guys, let me know. I'm there to help you out. Okay, read the textbook once again. Thank you, children.